This is my bad. I wanted to take the time out to publicly apologize to Mother Nature. As you can tell by now, just looking throughout the video or looking at the video, it's raining. This is day 3 of Tropical Storm Debby. And I feel fully responsible for this tropical storm. Never mind that it might have been in the forecast for the past week and a half, 2 weeks. I'm sure the meteorologists were forecasting this a long time ago, but I feel responsible. I just recently made a video about the recent heat waves striking the country, specifically the Northeast. And I was tired of it. I was tired of the high electric bill. And I just felt like this whole thing was one big conspiracy. And then here comes Tropical Storm Debby, wreaking havoc throughout the South and Northeast. Taking power lines down, knocking out trees, causing excessive flooding. Hell, my basement got flooded. And it's all because of my big mouth. I was complaining about the heat wave in the summertime. What sense did that make? Now I'm in a car with a jacket on in August. Gray skies, constant downpours. It feels like I'm on the Pacific Northwest. And for that, Mother Nature, I truly apologize. But it led me to wonder, we're not equipped for Mother Nature at all. This tropical storm came out of nowhere. We're not even in hurricane season. But this tropical storm came out of nowhere. And I didn't think of a Debby when I saw what the damage this storm has caused. I didn't think of Debby. When I think of a name like Debby, I think of somebody from the 80s with bleach blonde hair and a couple of faded tattoos. Maybe she's an auntie or auntie, tomatoes, tomato. Still listening to 80s music, getting up there in age, but kind of young at heart. That's who I think of when I think of Debby, a sweetie. This tropical storm was more along the lines of, a Deborah. Maybe a Donna. Or even Damien. Stern. Mean. Vicious. Not Debby. But here we are. Gray skies, excessive flooding, and I'm stuck wearing a jacket in August. All because I opened my big fat mouth. Mother Nature, I'm deeply sorry. And all I ask of you at this point, please restart the summer. Please bring it back. I haven't used my air in 2 days. 2. It's August. The air's supposed to be on. I'm not supposed to open my windows and actually feel fresh air. It's too soon for that. I want to put my air on. I'm actually in my car with the windows up, cold. Something's not right. Please don't start winter too soon. Do not start winter if that's your plan to prove a point. Please don't. I just want to put my air back on. There's no reason I've gone 48 hours without air. So please, if you can, even the dog's upset. They don't know what's going on. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, you're pissed off. Yeah, so am I. Listen, we apologize. I apologize. I started this. I should have just shut my mouth. There's nothing wrong with excessive heat for 180 straight days. There's nothing wrong with it. Anything is better than downpours in August. I apologize.